She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished blowing out my hair, and if you'd like to see the tutorial on that, I will have it linked above. So today it's time to trim. That's honestly why I blowed out my hair in the first place. I just trim when my hair needs a trim. So if that's every 6 months or if that's once a year. Before I get into the video, subscribe down below and then click that little notification bell right next to it so you never miss when I upload a new video. So I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair off as always. Is this coming loose? Oh, the deceit. The deceit. So I'm starting by just brushing out my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna take this section and split it in half just about, and then twist this up and clip it. Okay, when trimming your hair, this is kind of what I look for, other than the fact that it's dry, harder to detangle. Those are my first signs, but when I get to blow drying it to see where I'm going to clip, I look at the section. So this part right here is looking a little raggedy compared to the rest of the hair. It's like right here is where it starts looking a freaking hot mess and acting all out of pocket. It's just holding your hair pretty tightly and just moving your fingers down until you see where your hair looks thinner, where it's rougher against your hands. These are all signs that that's where you need to trim. So for me, it looks like I need to trim about this much. Another tip when cutting your hair is you should use hair cutting shears. They are specifically made to cut hair. If you use regular scissors, they could be dull and they can actually cause more damage, which is kind of what we're trying to avoid. So shears are the way to go. Okay, so that's where it is looking scraggly. So I'm just gonna cut there. Thick ends all the way through. Not super thin ends, but you know, see-through. I don't really feel like twisting my hair up, so I'm just gonna take this clip and clip the part that I have already trimmed to the back.
Back like you owe your tax. Owe me 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 back like you owe your tax.
I'm not a huge fan of trimming because I don't like to lose my length, but health is more important than length, and health ultimately will get you to your length goals. The way I cut it, I was able to keep most of my length. So it's not like drastically shorter, but I am missing some of my inches, you feel me? Honestly, not really. I guess that's the great thing about layers is I get to keep my length because I have layers, like layer here, and a layer at the bottom. From when I started to now, my hair looks so much better. Like, you can see the difference. I know it took me forever, but I finally got around to filming this video, and I really hope you guys found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.